everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I created this makeup look right here. It is really quick and easy to do. This look is perfect for office and college where you're running late in the morning but you still want to look presentable. So without further ado, let's get started. To start off, I'm just applying some moisturizer. Next, I'm going to be applying some sunscreen. Even if you sit in an AC office, sunscreen is really important. You need to apply it every single day. Now I'm going to let the moisturizer sink into my skin, and till then I'm going to do eye makeup. For that, I'm using this bronzer from this Makeup Revolution Iconic palette. I'm just applying it in my crease. For my foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 228. You can even use a BB cream if you have one. I'm just going to dot it all over my face and then buff it out with a brush. I like to use a beauty blender sometimes, but that takes a lot of time because you have to wet it and all. So I just like to use a brush on an everyday basis because it's really quick. For my concealer, I'm using the M.A.C Studio Finish Concealer in the shade NC42, and I'm just going to be applying it under my eyes. To set the concealer in place, I'm using the Maybelline Compact in the shade Shell. I'm just applying the powder where I put the concealer. I'm also applying powder on my T-zone since that's the place where we get oily. I'm just going over my eyeshadow because I put concealer there, so it's kind of gone. You can also put the eyeshadow after the concealer. For the mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal False Lash Superstar Mascara, and I'm just applying it to my upper and lower lashes. I'm going to quickly fill in my eyebrows with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Brunette. I'm going to use the same bronzer which I applied on my eyes and using the same foundation brush. For my blush, I'm using this blush right here from the same palette. I'm just applying it to my cheeks. I'm also using the highlighter from the same palette. I'm applying very little of it for a subtle glow. For the lip liner, I'm using the M.A.C lip pencil in the shade Spice. Now for the lipstick, I'm using the Nykaa Ultra Matte lipstick in the shade Nefertiti. Now to set everything in place, I'm just going to spray some Fix Plus. So this is the finished look. It was really quick to do. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.